President Trump has announced plans to rebuild and reopen Alcatraz as a prison for America's most ruthless offenders, calling it a symbol of law and order. Alcatraz closed in 1963 due to high costs. Operating expenses were triple that of other federal prisons, with constant supply issues. Rebuilding Alcatraz could cost over $500 million, requiring competitive salaries due to San Francisco's high living costs and logistical challenges. Political reactions are mixed. Critics like Nancy Pelosi see it as a distraction, while others view it as restoring a historic symbol. Alcatraz's legacy includes its infamous escape attempts and cultural significance stemming from Native American activism in 1969. What does reopening Alcatraz mean for San Francisco? Will it become a prison or lose its charm as a tourist destination? Like, subscribe, and comment below to share your thoughts on Trump's Alcatraz plan.